everybody, it's Bethany from parentinginprogress.net. Today I am here to do an unboxing video of our Degustabox from October. This one is a really good box. I'm really excited about this one. Here they give you paperwork of like everything you get in the box, which I really like because if I find something I really like, then I can find it later on, find the information that I need to go out to the store and find it. So this month they did kind of a movie night, which was really cool. And then some snacks as well. And then on the back they even give you some recipes. So they give you a lot of information and how you can use your box. This month was really good. You can make chili and pizza and all kinds of stuff out of the things that they sent you. So I'll just do a quick unboxing. We've got these quadratini from Loker. These are #1 in Italy. They kind of look like graham cracker type cookies, like wafer cookies, I guess. They sent us some hip peas, sorry, which are chickpea puffs. Vegan white cheddar. I've actually tried these. These are really good. If you're looking for kind of a healthier snack. They've given us overnight oats by Dave's Natural cinnamon raisin. They've given us a couple of samples of sunflower butter. What I like about Degustabox is they're like full-size products. They've given us a package of baboli, which I love, their crust. And there's 2 of them in here, so you can make a couple of small pizzas, which was part of their movie night thing that they sent out. Here's some cowtail minis. My kids love these. Chewy caramel with a cream center, and this is vanilla. They're really good. And they've sent us some Welch's, which we love. And these are their new fruit and yogurt snacks. They're really good. And we've got chili beans from Bush's. Oops. And we've got another can of beans in here. These are the white chili beans, so you can make chili. And we've got 2 of these kettle corn seasonings, the kernel seasonings. You can put this on your popcorn. We got 2 flavors. You've got white cheddar and kettle corn. Okay, that's all. There's some coupons and things in here. So I like that they include stuff like that too. So if I do really like it, which we love Welch's, so I know we'll use that coupon. It'll save you a little bit of money when you go out to buy it at the store. We love Degustabox. We get one every month, and every month it has full-size food products, which if you're like us, a family of 4 living on a budget, this is a great way to get a variety of products. You can try new things, see what you like before you go out and commit to buying a whole bunch of it. So I really like these boxes. So it gives us a chance to try new things and explore and add in some new things into our monthly meal plans and add some variety. So it's a really great way to get a bunch of food all in one box, and it's shipped right to your doorstep. So you don't have to go anywhere, do anything. It just comes right to you. I'm going to put a link in the description to our full blog post so you can learn more. And also a link to the Degustabox page so that you can sign up for your own subscription. Thanks so much for watching our video.